Hey, so see, we'll be copying settings from here to other places. There's slot 2 and device locking is enabled, that means it's true here, and device ID is device 3. And slot 3 will be copying it, 3 1 is false and device ID is device 1. Currently slot 3 is true, it is device 2. We'll change this to false and device 1. See, what actually happens here is when you enable this bulk settings and put some settings over here after slot ID, what will happen, it will take a copy of this slot settings and update these values for this slot before copying these all settings to this slot 3. Okay, and I update these, take a copy of all these settings, update these settings in them and copy those to this slot 4. Like that it copies. Okay, so if you want to update some specific different settings from which are set over in this, you can set those over here. Okay, so I'll just update it. See, it was true and device 1 taken, taken device 2 right now, and if I update it, false and device 1, it has changed, and this one is tick and device 3. It didn't got copied because it updated this in between over here. Okay, so now that thing is done. The next thing which I've added is this dummy slot. What this is basically, it's nothing but a normal slot, but it is only used for saving settings. That means you can't run a device from that. It won't be operable like this one, slot 1. It is a dummy slot. It will be helpful for saving settings. See, if you want to save some, take a snapshot of some settings, you can save those settings in this dummy slot, which you can use to copy in other slots from this. I'll give a few dummy slots to everyone who wants it. You can ask for it anytime. You can save any settings in this dummy slot, and you can copy these settings from here to any slot if whenever you want those settings. And this dummy slot, and though these dummy slots won't be operable, okay, you can't use them normally. These are only for storing settings. Okay, now that thing is done. The next thing is division. Yeah, and one more thing, these this device name, device ID, platform name and platform version, these things I'll be removing them from here, and those things will be taken from the device ID. See, it is on device 2. Just make sure you copy these 4 settings to here, device 2 over here. Okay, make sure you copy those settings over here, because in the next in this update only it will start taking these 4 values from there, and from the next update I'll even remove these 4 values from here. These 4 values won't be visible. So in this update you can just copy these from here to there. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.